lot of these other companies, you got to work really hard to make $1,000. You got to work all day. Think about it. Think about landscapers and all these other people. Even if the person says, yeah, they got to work hard to do it, to make $1,000. Only other kind of money you can make like that, but it's not guaranteed, is when you try to sell something. But to make $1,000 profit on things that you sell, you have to sell quite a few of them, or you have to sell a big item. And usually there's so many people selling stuff online and everything. Everyone looks everything up when they're buying it, trying to get a good price. You're not going to be able to make any money that fast. You know, it's harder to do that than to just go out knowing you're going to make the money if you fix it. And if you know how to fix it, then that's not an issue. So really, you just know when they call you, they want you to come out, you're going to be making a lot of money for what you're going to do. You're not going to be able to get into a trade that's this easy, that you can relax, have your coffee, enjoy your day. Here, most of this stuff is you're in your car, you're just cruising around anyway. You might as well go make some cash. This type of work you can do yourself. It's relaxing, it's interesting, you meet a lot of people, but as you get older, you might want to slow down a little. Like me, I'm 62 years old, going on 63, and I'm still going out. This is how I would want it. I can retire right now, and I don't. I like going out, not only making the money, just being out, having a routine. I like that routine. It gives me something to look forward to. So if I give it up, what am I going to do? Just sit around and watch TV? I don't think so. All you people that want to get out of your jobs and want to get into something else where you make definite great money, this is your opportunity. Opportunities like this don't come around too often. So get yourself in gear. If you want to get out of your current situation, you need to make the move. It's up to you. It's not up to the job to make you do it. So if you're looking to get out, this is a great opportunity to get out. It's a better opportunity than what you're doing now. Well, I guarantee you, once you get out, you're going to look back and say, I don't know how I did that other job for that little bit of money I was making. And you're going to realize that this was the right move. You're going to realize it when you do one or two calls. You're going to say, oh my God, I can't believe people are paying me this much money. And then you're going to get all jacked up and you can't wait to get all your calls. Whatever you're doing now is going to be so outdated, going to work for somebody. That's nowadays you don't have to do that. You just work for yourself, keep all the money. They wouldn't know you from that other guy that's been there 20 or 30 years. You could just do exactly what he's doing and just answer the phone and you go do it. All you guys that are working for companies, just get out of that routine, because you're just going to work. Your life will go by so fast and you'll be too old to change. At a certain point, you're too old. Do it now, make your millions now, and retire before the time it would take you to actually make any money working for somebody. Put yourself in that position. They're not special. These people are not special. They go home and they do the same thing you do, but they do it in a bigger house, nicer cars, and all that stuff. You start doing this, that'll be you. So anyway, get signed up. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Start making good money. Get into the garage door trade. All you people out there, just get online, sign up, start taking the course, start learning this trade. As you go, we'll teach you how to market yourself to get calls. We'll give you price sheets. This is not just a course. I've actually helped people open checking accounts, and I've done other things for them. Their logo, their web page, even what to say on their ads, where they get the receipt booked. They even call me when they're doing door estimates and they want to know how much to charge. So you get all that when you sign up with us. No other person is going to do that for you. You guys will have the direct line to call in or text us, and we'll text you back. We can call you if that's what you need. It's a great opportunity. All right, talk at you. All of you guys wanting to get in the garage door business, but you're on the fence there, find a way to get in, because that little bit of push you're going to need to get in is going to change your whole life. If you don't do it, you may go down the wrong road. You don't want to wait 20 years and go, oh, I should have gotten the garage door business. You can be in this business repairing doors, easy jobs. So I'm just letting people know that this business has been really good to me, and I would have had it no other way. Besides being a movie star, I'd rather do this than be a doctor. I'd rather do this than be a lawyer. You know, you go to school for all those years to be any of those kind of jobs. I wouldn't want to do. This job gets me out in the real world. It makes me good money. I could be a lot more busy if I wanted. Look at that, getting a call right now. But what I was trying to tell you earlier, you guys could be 100 times more busier than me. I'm actually not trying to be busy. I'm only really doing this 50% of the reason I do this is to show you guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too.